makeup for our face. So today I'll be making some with Marian, Joy, or JM, my cousin or BFF. So today we're gonna making or teaching you how to make white slime. So further ado, let's get started. All you need is something to mix in with. So shake it, and then you pour it to the container after that. So, well. Into a big container because we can't mix it with a small container. So yeah, and transfer it into the table. Oh my God, so satisfying. Look at that. So satisfying. 2 minutes na. Kaya mga 1 minute. Yeah. Yeah, bro. I really love this slime. So yeah. Let's sit it again. Slime is life. Oh my gosh. Yeah, for me. As you probably tell, I have so many glue wasted. It's not sticky anymore. No, it's not at all. Wait. A while ago was so cool, guys. We'll watch it again because it was really awesome. Wait. Comment down below if you... Oh my God, look at that. God. Are you kidding? Thank you guys for watching for this slime tutorial, and I hope you enjoy it. Hope you like it, yeah. And hope you enjoyed it. As we really enjoy it making some slime. So yeah, it's real stretchy, guys. Did you see the bubble a while ago? Wait, I'm gonna twirl it. You have to twirl the slime. Not that bad. Why is it sticking? Oh. Bye guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So tell your channel. No, I'm not gonna tell mine. I'm just gonna put it in the description down below. So yeah. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. So yeah. So make sure to comment down below. The question of the day is what? Wait, no. Do you like making bubbles, especially in the slime? So yeah, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I think it should be what do you like the most, butter slime or fluffy slime? What do you like the most, the fluffy slime or the butter slime? For me, fluffy slime. Mine's fluffy slime because the butter slime was really easy to buy because it's just like a clay. Yeah, and if you stretched it, it's like a sand. It's like a sand. So yeah, bye guys. Thank you guys for watching for this video. Hope you like it. Give this video a big thumbs up. Bye. Peace out. Bye. Stop. Hit the button to stop. Hey.